Hi beauties, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fire theme nail set with Aston Beauty Polygel and glow in the dark dip powders. First, let's make some color polygel. Basically, you just mix the clear polygel and the color dip powder together. It's really easy and beautiful, and you don't need to spend a lot of extra money to buy new colors. Today I'm going to use nail tips. I'm using base coat to glue it on my nail. Cure it for 30 seconds. Then glue nail tips on other nails. Cure 30 seconds on each finger. Then cure the whole hand for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to use my e-file to remove all the shine from the nails and blend the nail tips in with the natural nails. By the way, I didn't do a good prep on my natural nails because I was planning to take them off soon. But if you want to make sure the set lasts long enough, prep is essential. I will shoot a video to show you how to prep your nails correctly, but for now, let's just continue. Now, apply another layer of base coat on your natural nail only to smooth out the natural nail and nail tips. Cure for 1 minute. I'm taking my tip cutter to trim them to the length that I like. Use the hand file to perfect the shape a little bit. Using the spatula to pick up all the 3-color polygel that I pre-made, and use the brush to gently pat and brush them in place. Cure under my LED lamp for 30 seconds. I prefer to give a short time cure just to hold the polygel in place, and I will do a full set cure once all of the fingers has been done. I'm using Aston Beauty Sleep Solution. As you can see, the polygel is not sticky at all. A lot of you ask me if we sell Sleep Solution separately. Unfortunately, right now we don't sell it. But you can use rubbing alcohol to replace it. Anything above 70% will be working fine. So this is after a full cure for 1 minute, and the tips are done. Now I'm gonna apply this apricot color polygel on my nail bed. I place it by my cuticle area and pat it in place. Use the brush to clean the cuticle area and the side of your nails. Then cure for 30 seconds. Follow the same step on other nails. I just like how this is looking so far. Now I'm gonna put some gold foil on my nails. The surfaces are still sticky since I haven't wiped them off with the alcohol wipes. So I can just simply put the gold foil on. Now I'm going to encapsulate the entire nail with our clear polygel. Our clear polygel is very easy to work with, and you can build an epic with it. It will make your nails stronger. Now I'm gonna do shape and filing. polygel is very soft compared to acrylic. So if you don't have a e-file, you can definitely just use hand file to finish all of the shape in the file. Now I'm gonna go in with the top coat. Give it a full cure for 1 minute. I have a feeling that I should put some decoration on it, but I couldn't find the red color rhinestone, so I choose to use this gold butterflies. But you know what? I'm not sure if I really like it, so I decided I'm gonna take them off. Yeah, I just really like these sets, and they look so good even in the dark. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.